it's no surprise that this is created by Ishita Moitra because even in from Rocky or Rani, Rocky Randhawa's character and you, I think they're kind of made of the same grain. Matlab, they are
Slightly.
two, hunks from Delhi who can't be, the book can't be judged by its
Right.
cover. And they have a journey.
Right.
He turns out to be a green flag. You turn out to be,
Sure.
hopefully, a
Sure.
green flag single father. Like I'm just throwing this at you, but what if you and him meet in a room? What would that conversation be like?
It would be written very well by Ishita Moitra.
And we would
Because-
say do it very well. And we
Yeah,
would
I
watch
think
it.
we would try to do our best at it.
Yeah.
But I do think there are similarities which even I felt initially, but they end pretty soon. I mean, it's very nicely put. Like again, if you saw the trailer of this, you would immediately think he's a bit like that. But maybe the entire idea of masculinity that both of them have is similar, but the journeys that they kind of go on and the relationships that they have with their parents is very different from each other.
When I watched the first episode, I felt really bad for the character of your wife, of your ex-wife, and because I feel like कि अरे उनको मतलब उसको बाप बनना है but उसको माँ नहीं बनना है. So do you feel कि somewhere, I haven't seen the full show, but somewhere that in its attempt to tell a man's wish to be a father, it may compromise a woman's wish to not be a mom?
No, it doesn't. In fact, it doesn't do that at all. In fact, the journey that both of them have and the conversations that both of them have, you will see as the show progresses is different. I think it's a show that the writers have been sensitive to everybody. It's been written by a woman and a man together. They're a couple themselves. So actually, I think before I defend them in any way, they've actually encapsulated all of these emotions and these conversations very beautifully within the show. And I don't think it will make either genders feel shortchanged.
But then
in
there's
any way.
me as a mother also, na?
Yeah,
But there's not
exactly.
only one mother in the show who doesn't know. There's a mother who's like overly involved in her children's lives, where you want to kill that mother कि आप चुप भी रहिए. So वो भी है. मतलब so I'm saying it's not one person's perspective of a mom. There is this mom and there's another woman who has another perspective on having children. So I think both perspectives are there in the show.
I think there's also the perspective of your character, because we see that a woman like that or a young woman like that. I mean, things haven't changed much, and जो हमने पहले episode में देखा that she has to delete certain part of her private social media because her future in-laws are not okay with it.
Oh, that's
हाँ, तो मतलब in terms of, do you see your character also as like a parallel protagonist in this story?
I haven't thought of that, honestly. Um, I think every character, no matter how big or small, has in the story has a very, very important role to play. Every character acts as a catalyst in some part of the story, if not throughout. And I think that is what is important. So I haven't really thought of that. Yeah.
But do you know women like that who are still kind of struggling with issues like those?
Of course, yeah.
I'm sure,
It's
yeah.
most women. I mean, I feel very privileged that I get to say that that is not what I relate to in my life. But I have lots of friends, in fact, family. I have cousins. I know people who kind of, it's a very regular thing. Yeah.
Yeah. I was discussing it with another journalist. You were just talking that whenever you play a bride to be, there's like some kalesh
Issue
happening.
that happens, no?
Even in Jug Jug Jio,
Yeah.
where it's your own family, idhar
Yeah.
kuch aur. So it's always a dysfunctional family. How does it feel to be, the bride to be or the daughter of a dysfunctional family?
I mean, I'm not really looking at that like that. Ki, oh, is the family dysfunctional enough for me to do this? It's not that. I mean, let's be real. We've all, in some way or the other, every family, जैसे अभी इस family में भी जो कलेश हो रहे हैं, अगर exactly वैसे भी आपके life में नहीं हो रहे हैं, there'll be bits and pieces that you'll kind of relate to. कि हाँ, मेरी भी मेरे भाई से ऐसी लड़ाइयाँ होती है. हाँ, मेरे को भी एक बारी मम्मी ने ऐसे डांट दिया था कि हाँ यार, मेरी सास भी मुझे ये बहुत बार बोलती है. तो I feel like there's always little things that you hold on to, and then obviously it's fiction, it is comedy. So थोड़ा बहुत रच के दिखाते हैं उसको, but otherwise I'm sure at some point or not it kind of is relatable. So I'm not really going about it for the dysfunctionality of it. I'm going about it because it's normal, because it's relatable, because it's funny, it's slice of life.